Alright guys, so this is the day after I debadged the truck. I finished doing the debadging on this side. Yesterday I had some still left over because the battery died while we was at the shop, and I decided to go ahead and do the SLT badges. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I did the SLT badges this morning. This side came out great. The other side, I kind of gypped the paint a little bit, but you know, like this is the biggest one, and this one right here, and then I got a little one right there. But that was because I was using 100% of the power. Whenever I recharged batteries and they were on full, and so they were just faster than normal. So I had to go ahead and throttle it and everything like that, and then that's what I learned on that side, so I didn't mess that one up. But today I'm going to be doing a little maintenance on the truck. My battery posts are pretty dirty, as you might can see. Battery posts are pretty dirty, even on this one as well. And so I believe, yeah, as you can see, yeah. So the reason for me cleaning my battery post is because every now and then the truck, whenever I go through my startup process, you know, I get in the truck, I turn it to the on position, it does its 6 clicks. It does its 6 clicks just to get some fuel into the I can't talk today. Go plugs, because diesel trucks have go plugs and gas cars have spark plugs. So I wait my 6 dings. The 6 dings is for every cylinder, every go plug. The go plugs in this truck has 6. Like say if you had like a Ford or a Chevy, you'll wait 8 clicks because they're V8 engines. They're V8 diesel motors. So mine's an inline 6. I wait my 6 clicks, and then I turn the truck over. Now every now and then it might have this one moment where it'll just click. It won't turn over. It won't like click over or anything like that. It'll just click. And so I want to say maybe 2 days ago, I went to O'Reilly's and I hooked up the battery tester to it, and all my batteries are good. All my batteries are good. I was trying to check and see if one of the cells were bad or something like that in, and say if I needed new batteries. Now, some people don't know this, but whenever you're changing batteries inside of a diesel truck, you need to change both of them at the same time. You gonna fuck up the video just like that, huh? Really? So but the cells in them are good and everything like that, so I don't need new batteries. I'm gonna just try and clean the post, see if the post can be cleaned, and see if that'll make it better. If that's not, if the posts aren't the problem, it is the starter in the truck. So I've been just doing process of elimination on it. So if the cells ain't bad, then it might be the post because they're too dirty. And some people don't know is that whenever you have dirty posts like this, it also makes for a bad connection from your post to your leads that you need to have to operate the truck. So we'll at least start it up. So if it's not that, it's the starter. So who knows? All right. So this is the simplest thing I know how to do. But another thing, other than doing that, I'm gonna be taking off the steps. I'm gonna be taking these off because I just think that they collect a lot of damn dirt. Like if you see that right there, they collect a lot of dirt, and it's hard to keep them clean. And they've been on this truck, I believe, ever since the family that previously owned it had it, and so now it's got like a lot of rust on it and everything like that. So I'm gonna be taking that off as well. So there's more to come, and I'm gonna get back at you guys whenever I start doing all this mayhem. Cool. You ain't have to calm me down, but I'm just taking out the batteries right now because, like I said, I wanted to clean the post on them because they're dirty. But I'll set it right. So and I'm pretty sure these batteries didn't come off for a while. So the post should, okay, well never mind. They broke off easy. So can you stop? I got EP back there. Enemy in progress. My gosh. You ain't gotta be in no goddamn stealth mode. Said, don't listen to her.
Alright, Mama, I got it.
You got it, dog. He got it. Shoot.
I'd have a heart attack over there.
Yeah. See, this one's kind of hard, but there you go. Whatever, man. Can you please get out the way? you being real
Boy,
difficult.
that thing was electrocute you. Oh my God.
Well, ain't no.
You sent to the doggone thing.
It ain't. The truck ain't even on.
It'd be funny though.
It will be not funny. That would hurt around my damn fingers.
You ain't been working on a truck for a long time.
Got doggone Joyce Lane and put me in the hospital. Shit.
Come on.
You being some EP right now, okay? You messing with the cameraman, all right?
What is EP?
Enemy of progress.
Get out of here, man.
You're messing with my audio, man. Okay, man.
You took my flashlight too?
Yeah, I need it. And man, these batteries are heavy. They heavy. Goddamn.
I didn't know they had 2 batteries.
Yeah. Gotta put them on.
Don't do that. You'll reset all your stuff inside the truck. Leave one hooked up, clean that one, put it back, hook it up, and then do the next one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so my aunt just informed me that I'm supposed to take out one at a time so I don't reset my truck. So,
That's right.
okay. So let's clean this one.
Get something out the enemy of progress.
You helped out, finally. But what I got to do was I got all the cleaning stuff off of a SOS pad, and so now I'm gonna just clean the post real quick. Look at that. And I'm just cleaning around it.
Side is not as bad.
That's not gonna do nothing to that. It's got chips in it.
Yeah, it's not gonna get the right.
All right, and so sorry about that. I had to take a quick break to learn somebody something.
You got somebody tell somebody something. Make sure they know what they're talking about.
Much appreciate that. All right, and so the SOS pad did a pretty good job. So we're going ahead and put this back. All right, so I'm also clean on the inside of it right here. See if this helps out any too. I need to get another SOS pad.
Yeah, clean stuff up.
Yeah, it's all G. Shit. That's good. Just gonna get that. That thing is stuck on there. I don't know why the black one isn't doing doesn't go down as far as this red one does. But
Cause it got
that's pretty much the process on. That's pretty much the process on cleaning up your battery with the SOS pad. Now they do have like battery cleaners and everything like that, like the spray that you can use, but didn't feel like going to O'Reilly's and buying that, so we already had SOS pads at the house, so that did just fine. So I'm gonna do the other one and I'll get back at y'all whenever I start doing on the side steps. Alright, peace. Alright, so my cameraman stepped away for a second, but I just wanted to show y'all this cool tool that I got right here. And you might be saying like, well, what the hell, like what is all this extra stuff right here? Well, this works perfect for whenever you got like a hard place like this. Like say if I didn't want to take out, like on this one, I'm not going to take out the battery. On this one, I'm going to just use this adapter to get right here. Oh, wrong way. Hold on. So, right there. And this is all I got to do. That's done. And then this one right here is extremely hard to do without this little tool right here. So let's get it on there. There we go. All right. And then all you got to do, and it like this bends too. Like this is what I'd say like with 45, and see, and then it just broke. So that's a pretty cool tool. It's my aunt's tool, but I'm using the hell out of it. Let's see what it is exactly. What's the name of this? Ratchet driver set by Cobalt. So it's the 1/4 inch Cobalt driver set. It's the 33 piece. So this is a great little kit right here. So, and it also has like your Phillips flathead, all that extra stuff. So it's a pretty good tool. So I'm gonna finish doing this and I'll get back at you guys. All right, so we pulled the truck out to get up under here, and what we got is, I would like to say it's a simple setup, but we got this bolt that holds the step in place with this bracket that connects to the frame up here, through this bolt right here. And this is actually one of the spacers bolts from the body to the step. I mean, from the goddamn body of the truck to the frame right here, and it connects to this right here, and this goes connected to the step. Now what I might do is I'll disconnect this bolt right here and this one right here, and I'll take this one off because I really don't want to mess with that. I really don't want to mess with the one that's attached to the body right there. So I don't mind this just hanging right here, because I mean, I don't plan on putting some more steps right here anytime soon. If I do get steps again, it will be the automated ones that open up with the door, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side right here as well. So I'm doing that on both sides. I'm gonna actually do a comparison to see which one I like the most, because I also have it on the other side. So I'm gonna do a comparison, see what I like the best. And my phone just fell out my pocket. There it is. So I'm gonna get started on taking them apart, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the step off. Now I like the look of it. It's real clean. Now my only thing is whenever you step back, you got that like forward lean, and I really need to get the leveling kit on this truck ASAP, because if I lift this up, if I lift the front up, it won't look so weird. It looks weird to me, that's why. I mean, but I'm gonna get that done as soon as I get these tires situated. Whenever I get the tires situated, then I'll be doing like some of the suspension stuff. I know I said I wanted to get the lift kit first, but just to satisfy what I want right now, I'll go on ahead and get a leveling kit, which will create this space between where my coil mounts up at, right here in this area, I believe, and it will lift the truck up a little bit. But in order for me to do this, I'm gonna need to get new shocks as well. So whenever I get some shocks to extend it, I'm gonna be getting some Bilstein 1500 series shocks. So that's gonna be right around 300 bucks to get those shocks for the front and back. I'm doing both because I don't want to just have like this side riding great and then my back, because that's one thing that I don't like about the truck is how rough it rides. But you know, I mean, these trucks are meant for hauling and everything like that. So like this in the back, I don't know if you can see the shocks, but the shocks right there are in the back as well. Just to show y'all real quick underneath the truck, because like I said, I got the truck from Amarillo, Texas, and the family lived on a pretty much a dirt road. The truck has a lot of like pretty much years of dirt underneath it, you know, and it's just caked on there. Like some of it's cracking, you know. Well, one of these days I'm gonna get it all off. I'm gonna get it completely off. I don't know what this is right here. I'm pretty sure that this is dirt too, but pretty rusty. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a wire wheel. Well, first off, what I'm gonna do is, and I'm gonna lift up the truck. I'm lifting up the truck. Going to get it up in the air. I'm going to dismount all the wheels, and I'm going to invite some of my friends, invite them to hang out while we work on this thing right here, so we can get everything situated. As far as like, we're going to wire wheel the axles. We're going to wire wheel I said the axles. I was tapping on this saying the axles, but the axles over there. I'm gonna do the axles, front and back, because they're both rusty. If you look on this one, oh shit, right there, it's pretty rusty. I don't know if I got enough light right there, and right here, and then I need to try and see if I can get a degreaser to get some of this caked on grease off of the trans and the engine oil pan right there. Some places on it got some caked up on there, but other than that, the truck is pretty clean. So we're going to do that. I'm probably going to do that whenever I get the leveling kit. I'll do all that whenever I get the leveling kit, because it's already going to be up in the air, so I might as well. Me and my friends will probably do the leveling kit. I've never done a leveling kit, but I'm pretty sure we could do it by ourselves. So, but that's how the truck looks compared to what it was. And on this side, this is the mud I kind of got off the truck a few days ago. But then this. So, but I'm gonna get this other side off and I'm gonna clean this truck, man, and that'll be it for this video, guys. All right, peace. All right, guys, so I'm in different clothes because I'm actually about to head out and go do some stuff for another project. It's not on the truck, it's just around my house. I'll wait until this truck passes. Okay, so but I didn't clean the truck. The truck just looks much better without the decals and the steps and everything like that. Next thing to come is the new tires and the leveling kit, and I can't wait to get that in. I can't wait to get all that stuff situated, because it'll just make the truck look a little bit meaner. Now it would really be mean if I had a damn tow mirrors, but I'm waiting on them. I'm trying to figure out the best possible place to go get them at. But besides all that, guys, this was just a wonderful little project, man. with the getting rid of the steps and the decals. I'll actually give y'all a product list of what I did to get the decals off, so it'll help y'all guys out. And in case y'all want to do this to y'all's trucks, cars, anything like that. It was pretty fun, and I greatly appreciate y'all for sticking with me through this little process right now. I'll get back at you guys in the next one. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next, but it's gonna be something. So stay tuned, keep looking, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll put my social medias down at the bottom in the description. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.